Hello students, this is Saresh again with a new video of your lesson Fiber to Fabric. As we have done previous topic how silk is obtained from silkworm. For that I have sent two videos related to sericulture. If you have not watched till yet, please watch that and understand that process how silk is obtained from silkworm. So that we have discussed. Before silk we also discussed about wool, that how wool is obtained from sheep and other animals. So obviously to get the wool, to get the silk, there are industries, and in industries the people work there. So whenever in any industry people works, then there are some possible dangers or accidents can be happen due to their working. So today we will discuss those dangers, those health related hazards which cause due to wool and silk production industries. In this we will discuss that how the people who are working in the wool industry or in the silk industry, they are getting health hazards. Health hazards means the risk of danger, the kind of danger, or we can say a kind of problem occurs after doing work in there, if the possible safety that is not used. Then so many of the people who work in the silk industry, wool industry, because that product produce wool and silk for complete country and also for other countries, so many people work in there. That's why this is also important to know what kind of dangers they can face or what kind of diseases they can have if they are working in these industries. Not only silk or wool industry, in every industry there is a risk of every worker's health. So today we will discuss if the people, the workers who are working in silk production industry or wool production industry, then what kind of health problems they can face. So the first problem, whatever we will discuss, that is wool industry. In wool industry, I have told about wool, when they do the shearing process, after shearing they have to select the perfect wool, different means they sort the perfect wool according to the different texture, different color, different length, different size, so that they do sorting process. So during sorting process they got a disease, workers, because workers do that process and workers got that disease, and that disease is called anthrax. It is also called sorter disease. This disease is caused because of a bacteria which is named as anthrax bacteria. Anthrax bacteria, it is found in those kind of dust, dirt, or any kind of the problems which are faced by the workers during cleaning the wool. So that bacteria can enter in their body due to breathing. So then anthrax cause difficulty in breathing. It also affects skin ulcer, means that is also a kind of disease related to skin. So it causes skin ulcer also. So various diseases like anthrax and skin ulcer, it occurs when workers of wool industry, they sort wool according to the color, size, shape. So this is also risky process. So as we can understand the effect of virus as we are facing now. So what could be the virus or bacteria, that is shown in this point. So anthrax disease can be occur in which they can feel any difficulty in breathing. They can also feel skin problems, which is called skin ulcer. So due to infection, this is called fatal disease. Fatal disease means it has not any kind of curability, means the people, they cannot be cured easily. Means those disease remain for long time in our body. So this disease they face who are working in the wool industry. Second, in silk industry, I told you yesterday or also before yesterday in the videos that how the cocoon from the cocoon we get the silk thread. For that we dip them in hot water. We boil them in hot water, and then we take the filament out from the cocoon. So workers, they dip their bare hands because they have to check the temperature of hot water, ki how much hot water is that, ki the cocoon is properly boiled or not. So for that they dip their bare hands in hot water and they check the cocoon properly, ki is that cocoon loosened, ki we can get the filament from them or not. So when they do this process, then they cause blisters in their hand. Blisters, that is a kind of we can say in Hindi chale. So blisters in their hand, their open wound they can feel due to the heat of the water. They can feel open wound, injuries on their hands. They can get injuries also because of the hot water, and also some kind of infections, because cocoons, they also have filaments and bacteria and any kind of microorganisms, so that can affect on their hand, skin, so they get infections. So this kind of problem they face when they do work in silk industry. Third, they do reeling process. In reeling process, I told you ki workers, what they do, they convert the filament of cocoon into yarn, and they do use a roller. From that the reeling process done. So during reeling process, workers in the industries, they stand for 12 to 16 hours continuously because they have so many cocoons to solve. So they stand mostly 12 to 16 hours. Due to that, what happens, their body problems like backache, like spine problems, like eyes problem, vision problems, they can face these problems also. So it's not easy for them to do continuous work like this. Also, when the cocoons boiled, then they release vapors. As the boiling, you know about that, when we boil anything, that release vapors, like water boiling release water vapors. Similarly, when cocoons are boiled, so that also release vapors. Machines which are used in that production, so machines, they also use diesel. So diesel fumes also produce their vapor, also produce, like that smoke also produce. Due to that, what happen, they feel respiratory diseases, because if they will continuously work near the diesel generator, diesel machines, or they will continuously take in the vapors in their body, then what will happen, they will feel respiratory, means their lungs problem. So asthma, you know about asthma, it's a disease when any person has problem in the breathing. And bronchitis, it is related disease also to lungs, because bronchioles are present in our lungs, and then they can jam the bronches. So what happen, then we feel the problem of respiratory or breathing. So these kind of problem occurs to those workers who are working in these kind of industries. I hope the topic is clear, and have a reading related to this topic, and complete your worksheet after watching complete videos. Thank you and have a beautiful day.